Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to delete or remove a shortcut for universal switch function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, if we have our shortcut in our accessibility button here, we can go to Edit Shortcuts, then select Actions, and simply we are looking for our universal switch and we can unselect it. But if we have set up our shortcut as a button press, then we need to go to Settings, next Accessibility, Interaction and Dexterity, Universal Switch, and here we have our shortcut options. So if we don't have our button here and we have set up a button press, we can change it from here, or we can simply turn it off as a whole. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.